If you're planning to visit Seychelles, you must apply for an electronic travel authorization before you travel. To apply, you will need a valid passport, a selfie, proof of your flight and hotel bookings, credit or debit card. Your name must be clearly shown on all tickets and bookings. You can submit the application for yourself or for a group of up to 6 people. You'll also complete the immigration and customs declaration for yourself or the group. You may wish to buy convenient local services, like SIM cards and bus passes, at the same time. Once everything is uploaded, you can select your preferred processing option and pay. If you're in a rush, select the expedited option to receive your ETA within 1 hour. Your approved ETA will be delivered right to your inbox and you are ready to fly. Apply for your ETA today, only on the official government platform, Seychelles Electronic Border System.